Okay, then I will share my screen. And then we will start again with conversion. Okay, do you still remember this one, Gabe?
Uh,
Uh-oh. You
yes.
do? Yes. Okay. So if you remember, let's try to type the conversion here so that we will not have a hard time in thinking of the conversion. Okay, so the conversion A is how many centimeters for millimeters? Sorry, how many for 1 centimeter, how many millimeters are there? How many millimeters are there for 1 centimeter?
1 meter.
How many millimeters for 1 centimeter? How many millimeters you have? How many? Gabe, are you there? Hello? There you go. Okay, Gabe. How many millimeters for 1 centimeter? How many you have?
10 millimeters.
10 millimeters. Very good. Now, how many centimeters are there for 1 meter? 1 meter. How many centimeters?
Mm, 10.
Hmm? No. How many?
100.
100. Very good. Now, for our last conversion, how many meters are there for 1 kilometer?
1,000.
1,000. Very good. Okay, so I see that you are trying to memorize it already. Very good, Gabe. Okay, so I will put it here. Always remember this, Gabe, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Oh, we have to memorize this. Okay, so let's try to answer number 1 again. Okay, what is 35 centimeters in millimeters? Hmm. What is 35 centimeters in millimeters?
Yan, meron na.
It be 100 centimeters, 1 meter. C, 1,000 meters, 1 kilometer. Okay. So number 1, you have 35 centimeters. You need millimeters. So what are we going to do? What is your conversion that you're going to use? What do you have?
10 centimeter.
You have centimeters. What do you need?
Milliliter.
Millimeters. So what conversion has millimeters and centimeters? A, B, or C?
A.
A, very good. You have millimeters and centimeter. So we have 35 centimeters. We're going to change it into millimeters. So it will be just 35 times 10. Because 35 centimeter, you have this one. And then you need this one. For this,
Equals 35 times 10 equals 350.
350. 350 what?
350
50
milliliters.
millimeters. Very good. 350 millimeters. Okay. Next, we have 9 meters. We're going to change it into centimeters. So we have meters and we have centimeters. So what conversion are we going to use?
Letter B.
Letter B, very good. Okay, so we have 9 meters. This one, 9 meters. And then for each meter, you have 100 centimeters. So we're just going to do 9 times what? 9 times?
9 times 10.
9
9
times.
times 100.
9 times 100. Very good. Because for 1 meter, there is 100 centimeters. So what is 9 times 100?
900.
900. Very good. 900 what?
900 centimeter.
Very good. 900 centimeters. Okay, so I will put that right here. Okay, so wait for this one. We have, oops. Wait, 35 times 10, 350. Yeah. So I will put this here so that you will have a pattern how we do conversion. Okay, so next we have 18 kilometers. Okay, wait, this one is too small. Okay, 18 kilometers. We need meters. So, what conversion are we going to use?
Letter C.
Letter C, very good. Okay, so what are we going to do? How are we going to convert 18 times what?
18.
18 times, oh, look at this one. 35 times 10 because we need millimeters. 9 times 100 because we need centimeters. Here, 18 times what? Because we need meters. 18 times 1.
18 times 1.
Only 1?
1,000.
1,000. Okay. So remember, we are looking at here, Han. Look at letter C only. Okay, so we have kilometers. We need meters. So that's why we multiply it with 1,000 because we need meters. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so what's the answer here? 18 times 1,000.
18,000.
18,000. Very good. 18,000 what?
18,000 meter.
Meters. Very good. So 18 1,000. Okay, so let's try 2,000. Oh, we have 2,000 meters. We need kilometers. Okay, so where is that? What conversion are we going to use? Letter?
C.
Letter C. Very good. So for this one, Gabe, if we are going down, right? Which one is bigger, meters or kilometers?
Mm,
Which one is longer, meters or kilometers? Oh, I will draw. This one is millimeters. This one is centimeters. This one is meters. This one is kilometer. Okay. Oh.
The answer is kilometer.
So kilometer is the bigger one. If we are going to the bigger one, we are going to divide. Okay? Divide. So meaning to say, we will do 2,000 divided by how many?
2,000.
Divided by 1,000. Because we're looking at here, right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, when you are looking at this conversion, only look at the numbers here. Okay? So when teacher asks, what conversion are we going to use? Look at that conversion only. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So since we have meters here and kilometers, what conversion are we going to use? Letter?
Letter.
We have
Letter.
meters and kilometers.
D.
Huh? Meters
Letter
and
D.
kilometers.
Okay.
Where is meters
Letter
and
C.
letter C? Okay. So that means only look here. Don't look at A and B. Only look at letter C. So we say 2,000 divided by how many?
1,000.
1,000. Where did teacher get 1,000? Here, it's 1,000. Right? Oh.
Yes, teacher.
When we go longer, we divide. When we go shorter, we multiply. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So what is 2,000 divided by 1,000?
Mm,
How many 1,000? For
100.
2,000. You only have 2. Oh, how did we get 2? Oh, let's divide 2,000 into 1,000. Okay, how many 1,000 can you get in 2,000? 2. Oh, 2 times 1,000. 2,000. Oh, we have 0. The answer is 2. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Oh, you have to know division. Do you know division?
Little bit.
Oh, little bit. Oh, we have to practice division too. Okay, so I will make this smaller. So what's your answer for number 4? What's your answer?
Kilometer.
2 kilometers. Okay, so let's go with number 5, you have, what is this? 4?
For
Okay, 4.
for
Okay,
the
is it 400? I
yes.
think it's just 4 because there's a period here. Oh, let's use 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters.
I think it's 400. Okay, 400 centimeters. I need meters. Okay, so what are we going to use here?
Letter A.
Ha? Centimeters and meters?
B.
Letter B. Okay, look at letter B only, ha? Only letter B. Okay, so we will do 400. Okay, 400. Is it going longer or shorter? Centimeters to meters. Long.
Shorter.
Eh?
Longer.
Longer. It's longer. This one is millimeters. This one is centimeters. This one is meters. This one is kilometers. Okay, so we are going from centimeters to meters. Centimeters to meters. Going longer or shorter?
Longer.
Longer, because meters is longer than centimeter. So that means we are going to divide. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So 400 divided by what? Oh, look at letter B only. 400 divided by what?
1,000.
Huh?
100.
100. Very good. So what's your answer here? 400 divided by 100 equals what?
3.
Huh? 400. How many 100 for every 400?
Mm, 4
4. Ah. We have only 4. Okay.
is close.
It's close. Okay, it's close. But the correct answer is 4. What's your answer? 4?
4.
For what?
4 meters.
4 meters. Okay, so let's go now with 900 millimeters. So, going to centimeters. Okay, millimeters to centimeters. What conversion are we going to use?
Letter A.
Letter A. Very good. Okay. Millimeters going to centimeters. Is that longer or shorter? Oh, look at
Longer.
this. Millimeters going to centimeters. Longer or shorter?
Shorter.
Ah, you're changing your answer. What's your final answer? Look at this one. Millimeters.
Longer.
Longer. Very good. Okay, so if we are going longer, that means we will divide. Okay? If longer, divide. Shorter, multiply. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Always remember that, ha? Longer, divide. Shorter, multiply. Okay. So, we have 900 divided by what? Oh, look at conversion A. Divided by
1. 10.
10. Very good. Okay. So, what is 900 divided by 10? Huh. What's your answer? We have 900 divided by 10. We have drum roll.
9.
Close. We need to add 0. 90. Oh, practice your division, Gabe, ha? We need it very much here in conversion. Okay, so what's your answer?
90.
90 what? 90
centimeters.
centimeters. Very good. Okay. So next, let's try number 7. Okay, so we have 285 millimeters going to centimeters. So what conversion are we going to use? What conversion?
Letter A.
Letter A. Very good. Okay, letter A. So it is, next, letter A, ha? Remember letter A. Millimeters going to centimeters. Is it longer or shorter?
Short.
Look at this one. Longer. Okay, longer. If it is longer, what are we going to do? Divide or multiply? Divide or multiply? If it is longer.
Divide.
Divide. Okay, so we just copy the number 285 divided by what? Divided by what?
10.
10. Very good. So what is 285 divided by 10?
285 divided by 10.
That is 28.5. Do you know decimals already, Gabe?
What?
Do you know decimals?
What? I cannot hear you.
Do you know decimals?
Tomorrow.
Decimals. This one, 28.5. You know
No.
this one? Not yet. Okay. So why you have this if you don't know this yet? Okay, so your answer is 28.
5.
28.5. Very good. Okay. So next, 28.5. Oh, we're just 3 more away. Okay, so let's do number 9, ha? Because number 8 is also decimal. Number 9 is 6,000 meters going to kilometers. Oh, let's do what we're going to do first. Copy the number. Okay, next. Meters going to kilometers. Is it longer or shorter?
Longer.
Longer. If it is longer, divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, so we will use division. Oh, what conversion are we going to use? A, B, or C? Meters and kilometers.
C.
Letter C. Okay, so that means we are going to divide it with how many?
1,000.
1,000. Very good. So what is 6,000 divided by 1,000?
6.
6 kilometers. Very good, Gabe. Okay, so that ends our not division, sorry. Our lesson for today. Okay, so is it easier than before?
Mm,
Little bit?
little bit.
Little bit. Okay. So just remember this one, huh? Memorize, okay?
Okay, teacher.
And remember this one. Longer and shorter, divide and multiply. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
And this one too. Remember who is the longest. Okay? This one.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So do you have any more questions, Gabe?
No more, teacher.
Okay. If no more questions, happy Friday. See you next week. Bye, Gabe.
Bye.
Bye.